Hi, Jim Creswell from Mapei Australia Resilient Lines. Today we're going to talk to you about a new product called Ultraplan Renovation. Ultraplan Renovation is a versatile leveller that provides a rapid resurfacing solution for new and old substrates, including chipboard, tongue and groove, plywood and concrete. It has been specially formulated with fibre reinforcement that can handle the movement of timber when applied to a properly prepared and fixed substrate. It can also be used over existing tiles. Whether you are working with timber tiles or a mix of both, Ultraplan Renovation offers the convenience of a single component product that can work over multiple surfaces in one area. One pour, one product, one resilient levelling compound. Ultraplan Renovation is suitable for both domestic and commercial applications. It can be used under most floor coverings, including sheet vinyl, engineered timber, ceramic tiles, luxury vinyl tiles and luxury vinyl planks. Like all of our levelling compounds, it's mixed the same, just the right water ratio, and then the surface have to be primed with the correct products. So for timber or particle board, we use Eco Prim Grip. For concrete, we use Eco Prim T+. Ultraplan Renovation is a versatile and exciting new addition to the Mapei line of levellers. Grab some for your next project.